Hello everyone, I am Harshita, the LT educator, and I am a special educator whose goal is to spread hope and dispel the myth about learning disabilities. Today, I am going to give you a brief description or overview about what learning disabilities are and what they are not. I have seen so many people have confusion about what learning disabilities are, and they get confused between learning disability and learning problem. And in this video, I am going to clear some of these doubts of yours. In fact, I have decided to make a series on different types of disability, and in each video I am going to give you a deep details about each disabilities. But today we are going to start with what learning disabilities are. But before we start, if you all are here, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. Learning disability is not a result of hearing or vision problem. These things can impact the learning, but these things cannot cause learning disability. Learning disability is not a result of hearing or vision problem. Learning disability is not a result of autism. Learning disability is not a result of intellectual disability, or we can say MR. And learning disability is not a cause of any disadvantages. So let's first discuss what exactly the definition of learning disabilities are.
The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act provides that specific learning disability means a disorder in one or more of the basic psychological processes involved in understanding or in using language, spoken or written, which disorder may manifest itself in the imperfect ability to listen, think, read, speak, write, spell, or do mathematical calculations.
So, these all are the disabilities which come under the umbrella of specific learning disabilities. And don't worry, I am going to make a video on each of the disabilities specifically in a deep detail. In this video, let me give you a short overview about each of the disabilities. So, if we talk about dyslexia, so dyslexia is a reading disorder. It affects one's reading, comprehension, or understanding of words. In addition, dyslexia is the most common learning disability which is found in the individual. Next we come to dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is a writing disorder. In this, or we can say it means even a child have a problem or inability to hold a pencil, to write something, to write his or her thoughts on pen or paper. Next we come to dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is a mathematical disorder. In this, the child face problem in calculation. The child has inability in watching the time, get confused between left and right. Basically all the concept of maths. So these are the three basic types. Now, it not only affects the academic but also the senses through which we process, like auditory, language, visual. So let's talk about the symptoms of learning disability, or we can say specific learning disability. So the first one is poor memory. Second one, difficulty in focusing, short attention span, difficulty with reading or writing, difficulty sounding out words, difficulty in telling time, poor eye-hand coordination, delayed speech development, inappropriate responses, impulsiveness, disorganization, trouble in following instructions, and many more. So if your child is facing or have these symptoms, so it is the high time to think about your child and work upon it. So let's talk about how we can treat a child having learning disability. So the first thing is special education, therapy, medication, other interventions and support groups. Special education, of course, a specialized teacher can handle a special child much more better way. Therapies help in the emotional development of a child having learning disabilities. Medication, some cases need medication for improving focus and attention. Other interventions means you can go for other therapies, right? Support groups, of course, some meetings of other groups of specialized teachers, doctors, parents, much needed to help child to grow in a much and more better way. Hope this video is useful for you all, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell button and like, share, and please must comment if you have any doubts or any question. You can follow my Instagram handle with the same name, teachwithheart_et. Thank you so much for watching and keep tuned for the more videos.